Hello everyone! Start off by combing the hair in place and then section out the front of the hair. Tie a rubber band to it, then make another section on the side and braid the section. Now taking the first section that you have made, make a normal braid out of it, and once you reach the midsection, begin to include sections of the hair, that is 2 sections from one of the sides. Make a braid at the bottom, join both the braids, roll it up. Next, add some hairspray to the hair, comb it, then section out the top of the hair. Make a braid out of this section and then roll it up into a bun. After this, add some bobby pins all around, add a decorative rubber band. Make multiple sections at the bottom. Section out the front of the hair, make 2 ponytails at the back, take a ribbon, add it to the top. Then, using the ribbon as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair as such. Now, as you do this, tie a rubber band at the bottom, tie a ponytail at the back, and wrap your ribbon around it. Tie a rubber band to it. Next, comb the hair into place into a ponytail as such. Add a ribbon with the decorative portion to it. Now, include sections from the ribbon into the braid that you are making. Divide the hair into 3 parts as such on either side of it. Make 2 braids and wrap it up into a bun. Add decorative rubber bands. At the bottom, make 4 braids. Next, tie a ponytail and make 3 sections out of it. Now, add a rubber band to the middle of each of these sections, roll it in on itself, lift it up. Add another rubber band in the middle, and then wrap the section around the bun that you have created. Twist it and roll it up into place. Take out a section of the hair from the front and then make it into 2 sections. Begin to twist the hair one on top of the other as such and include more and more sections of the hair into it as you twist it. Add a rubber band to the base. Take a section from the middle, make a braid out of it, join all of it together in a ponytail at the back, roll it up after making a braid, and then add a decorative bow to it. Next, make 2 braids on either side of the hair and clip it up. At the bottom, make 2 ponytails, roll each of these ponytails, crisscross the braids and attach it into the ponytails, make 2 braids at the bottom and roll it up. Thank you for watching.